Okay, so today we are going to go over the basic organization of evaluation arguments. This is your next paper, so make sure you take notes. Essentially, this is where you will be evaluating something and making an argument about whether it's, most of the time, it's a good or bad binary. So for that, you have to create criteria because if you are evaluating something, it is often a personal evaluation, even though you're going to present it in an academic way. So when you then start characterizing this evaluation, you will want to use hard evidence to support whatever good versus bad argument you're making about it. So just like other papers, you're going to use data, testimony, statistics, facts, things that you've researched that you can help support your argument about what's good and what's bad. And you also want something that's quantitative so that it's clear to your reader how you're evaluating the particular issue at hand. You're also going to incorporate qualitative arguments, which means that you'll be using more emotional appeal than you will be using logical appeal, so that you will include examples or information that will appeal more to the reader's emotions. So when you're formulating criteria, it's very helpful to make a list of what would qualify as good and then what would qualify as bad, and then start refining that language and refining the criteria to a more formal academic sense before you start using it and incorporating it. After that, then you make your claim. And your claim will be as simple as, it's good or it's bad, and for what reason, which is your qualifying statement. Next is when you present evidence about this. The more evidence is always the better. And you want to use that combination of both qualitative and quantitative so that you're appealing to as many rhetorical appeals as possible and as many readers as possible. You're going to start doing some brainstorming on this, and then we are going to work on it together in class. But essentially, you can take anything that we have discussed in class or read about in class and choose to evaluate it on that good/bad scale. And good/bad, beneficial or harmful, and obviously it's in the context of the well-being of the planet or the well-being of people on the planet. So I want you to work on a brainstorm, and then we are going to go over that brainstorm together when I return next week. Any questions, just shoot me an email.